Home Depot has over 2,300 stores and does not carry a T-post driver. A T-post driver is a heavy steel tube, open at one end, used to drive steel fence posts into the ground by hand. A tool used on nearly every rural property in America that has livestock, horses, or agricultural fencing. It costs approximately $30 at Tractor Supply. It is available in multiple handle configurations and weight classes for different soil conditions. Home Depot's website returns no meaningful results for manual T-post driver as a discrete product category. A rural property owner who needs to install a quarter-mile of horse fence needs a T-post driver and has essentially no Home Depot option regardless of which Home Depot is closest. That is not an oversight. It is Home Depot's deliberate product category strategy. The rural agricultural customer is not Home Depot's customer, and the 9 tools in this script are the clearest evidence of where that decision leaves a specific buyer without a mainstream home improvement option. That is not an oversight. Home Depot is the largest home improvement retailer in America. It has the buying relationships, the supply chain infrastructure, and the shelf space to carry a T-post driver in every store that has rural customers within driving distance. It chooses not to because the T-post driver customer is a customer whose primary purchase occasions, livestock fencing, agricultural water systems, rural property maintenance, fall outside the construction trade and residential renovation categories that Home Depot's entire store is optimized for. Home Depot serves the contractor building a deck and the homeowner renovating a bathroom. Tractor Supply serves the person running a small horse operation on 10 acres outside a town of 4,000 people. Those are different customers with different tools, and in 9 specific categories. Tractor Supply's selection depth and agricultural specification make it the correct store for the rural buyer, even when a Home Depot is closer. To understand why Tractor Supply wins in 9 specific tool categories against a chain with 6 times its revenue, you have to understand what Home Depot optimizes for. Home Depot's product strategy is built around the residential construction trade and the suburban homeowner. The professional who needs Milwaukee M18 cordless tools, the contractor buying lumber and drywall, the homeowner renovating a kitchen. Those buyers drive the product decisions for every tool Home Depot stocks. A product that serves those buyers gets shelf space. A product that serves a horse farmer with 40 acres of paddock fencing to maintain does not, because the horse farmer is a small and geographically concentrated customer segment that does not generate enough volume at the average Home Depot location to justify dedicated shelf space. Tractor Supply's entire business model is built around that customer. Its store layout, its product selection, its buying relationships, and its Neighbors Club loyalty program are all optimized for the rural lifestyle buyer that Home Depot deliberately leaves to specialty channels. Subscribe now. The rest of this video covers each of the 9 categories tool by tool, with specific selection comparisons. Here is what the category gap looks like tool by tool. Electric fence chargers. Electric fence chargers power livestock containment systems for horses, cattle, sheep, and hogs. Tractor Supply carries chargers rated for coverage from 1 acre to 650 acres, solar-powered models for remote pastures, low-impedance models certified for performance in heavy weed contact, and Zareba brand chargers with a 40-year heritage in agricultural fencing. Zareba has been designing, manufacturing, and distributing electric fence energizers, fence accessories, and animal control products since 1984. Home Depot's electric fence charger selection is minimal and typically limited to garden pest deterrent products, a fundamentally different specification from an agricultural livestock containment charger. A horse owner needs a Parmac or Zareba low-impedance charger. Home Depot does not carry it. Log splitters. Tractor Supply's log splitter selection spans electric models from 6.5 tons to gas models at 27 tons with dual horizontal and vertical operation for large rounds. Dozens of SKUs across multiple brands, including Boss Industrial, WEN, and Champion. Home Depot carries a narrower selection concentrated in the entry-level consumer tier. Rural homeowners who heat primarily with wood, a significant population across the Northeast, Midwest, and Pacific Northwest, specifically source log splitters from Tractor Supply because the selection depth and agricultural grade specifications exceed what Home Depot stocks in the same price range. T-post manual drivers. Already covered in the hook, but worth the specific selection note. Tractor Supply carries drivers in multiple handle configurations and weight classes ranging from light single-person models to heavy two-handle models for rocky soil conditions. The weight matters for soil penetration. The handle configuration matters for user fatigue over a long fence line. Home Depot does not carry this category meaningfully. Manual post hole diggers and two-man earth augers in the 24 to 36-inch diameter range used for agricultural fence line installation are available at Tractor Supply in specifications that match agricultural use cases: wider diameter, heavier steel, extendable handles for deeper holes in clay soil. Home Depot carries smaller diameter auger attachments primarily specified for residential landscaping, a different product for a different application. Livestock water tanks. Polyethylene tanks from 50 gallons to 300 gallons with drain plugs, float valve compatibility, and heating element capability for winter operation are a Tractor Supply staple. A rural property owner installing a waterer for a horse pasture or a cattle lot has Tractor Supply as the primary retail option. Home Depot does not carry this category. Wire fence strainers and T-post pullers. Agricultural wire stretchers and T-post extraction tools used for fence repair, fence removal, and wire tensioning on woven wire and barbed wire fences are standard Tractor Supply inventory. Home Depot does not carry these categories as discrete products. Aluminum truck toolboxes in agricultural grade specifications. Tractor Supply's truck toolbox selection includes crossover boxes, side mount boxes, and underbody storage in aluminum construction grades and locking configurations specified for working trucks that carry tools, feed, and equipment in rural and agricultural conditions. The reviews consistently note a better match to rural working truck use cases than comparable Home Depot products at the same price point. Pneumatic cattle ear tag applicators and livestock management tools. Tractor Supply carries a range of livestock processing equipment: ear taggers, castration tools, deworming equipment, hoof trimming tools that Home Depot does not stock in any meaningful way. These are specialized tools with no residential construction equivalent, and the rural livestock producer has no Home Depot option for them. PTO-compatible and tractor-mounted equipment, including post-hole digger attachments for three-point hitch systems, used to drill deep fence post holes using the tractor's power takeoff rather than a standalone gasoline auger, are available at Tractor Supply and completely absent from Home Depot's product catalog. The practical buying framework from all of this is the same framework this channel has recommended throughout the Tractor Supply comparison. For standard power tools, cordless platforms, hand tools, lumber, and building materials, use Home Depot or Menards, where the selection depth and pricing favor established retail channels. For the 9 categories in this script: electric fence chargers, log splitters, T-post drivers, agricultural augers, livestock water systems, wire strainers, truck toolboxes for working trucks, livestock management tools, and PTO-compatible equipment, Tractor Supply is not merely better than Home Depot. It is often the only retail option available within a reasonable drive. Home Depot chose not to serve the agricultural rural customer. That choice created Tractor Supply's competitive position in these 9 categories. And for the rural buyer who needs any of the tools in this list, that choice determines which parking lot you pull into. If this changed how you think about which store to visit for which specific tool need, subscribe. The stores that dominate in specific categories almost always do so because a larger store made a deliberate decision not to compete there. And knowing which categories belong to which store is worth more than any comparison review that treats every store as competing for every product.